Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make garlic broccoli with lemon and chili, a recipe with just 5 ingredients. This is one of the easiest and most delicious ways to make broccoli. Here's the broccoli, washed and cut into bite-sized pieces. Whole peeled garlic cloves, fresh lemon, butter, chili flakes, and olive oil. First, grate the lemon. This zest along with the juice will brighten up broccoli. Grate the peeled garlic cloves. Now juice the lemon. Heat up a wide pan and add olive oil. When the oil is hot, add the broccoli, a little salt. Stir that up and cook for a minute. Move the broccoli to the sides of the pan and make space in the center. Put the butter in and let that melt. Add the grated garlic to the center and mix it with the butter. Let it cook for a minute. Add the chili flakes and then mix in the broccoli. Coat it with the garlic and chili flakes. Cook for 2 or 3 minutes until the broccoli is tender. Then pour in the lemon juice. Mix that up. Add more salt or lemon juice according to your taste. And it's ready.
That is the best broccoli I've ever had in my entire life.
Even picky kids and adults will love it. I hope you like this simple recipe and give it a try. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.